Hi everyone, are you finishing your bachelor's and planning to study for master's in Russia? So in this video, I will walk you through the documents you need and share which universities offer scholarships. Yes, basically I came on a open door scholarship and I secured scholarship in Higher School of Economics. So you don't miss anything, and let's get started. So I will divide the video in parts. First, we will go with academic documents, that what academic documents you need and it should be prepared. So first, you'll need your bachelor's degree and transcript. Okay, like some universities, they are also even okay with your transcript, but you have to request them that your bachelor's degree is in process till attestation. So both transcript and bachelor's degree needs to be attested and translated in a Russian language. And some universities may also ask you for your school certificate for verification. So in case, also prepare that documents. You will get it from your administrator, from your university. So let's move towards part 2, which is application documents. So in application documents, your main thing is your passport should be valid for at least 2 or more years. And most Russian universities are asked about motivation letter, and where you will explain that why you want to come to Russia. Also, what is your plan and why you choose this university, everything about this. Then you need your CV with your academic and professional background, and also you need 2 or maybe 3 recommendation letters from your supervisors, which will makes your application more stronger. Then for part 3, we will talk about what visa and legal documents you need. Once you receive your admission letter, you need your document for your visa. That is included your admission letter, your visa application form from your university exactly. And then you also need to do your medical certificate with HIV test, because when I went, I did all the medical examinations. But if you are applying for scholarship purpose, then you don't need to show your financial support bank statement. And also you need the passport size photo. The embassy will guide you exactly what documents you need for requirement. So these are the basic and important documents you must need to know, and also get ready, because passport also need, I think, 15 days. Even if you are applying for urgent, it will take 4 or 5 days. So my tip is keep both original and translation of every document. Double check with your university and Russian embassy, because requirements can change, and in Russia there is this rule that they change the documentation process every year. Yes. So the best advice is start earlier. Trust me, attestation and translation make more time than you think. I was applying, when I applied, it took me 7 to 8 months, because I applied through open door scholarship, and the procedure is different there. In open door scholarship, first you give exam, they give the result, then there is a documentation process you go with. And also in between there is a process of selecting university and then the acceptance from the university, so it will take time. So these are the main documents you need if you are planning to come to Russia. The other universities, they have the different requirements for masters. I hope this video makes your preparation easier, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments, and don't forget to drop the exact comments, so I will read and I will let you know what more documents you need. And maybe everyone have their different case. In my case, my documentation process a little bit different. I will also explain that don't do some errors in your documents, which I did, and also make sure that you have all the correct details in all your documents. I will share what problems and struggle I face doing the documentation process and the thing you don't need to do. I will make this for another video because it's exactly a very emotional story. So if you have any question, you can comment. I will make sure to reply, and maybe I will make another video on that. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.